Ultimate Guitar versus Songsterr. Which is better? So let's have a comparison between Ultimate Guitar versus Songsterr. So if you're into learning guitar, here's how Ultimate Guitar and Songsterr compare. First, we have Ultimate Guitar. Ultimate Guitar is the largest and most popular platform for guitar tabs. It offers a huge libraries of songs from simple to complex and includes features like chord diagrams and tuners. You can access tabs for free, but the premium version unlocks extra features like interactive tabs and ad browsing. While on the other hand, we have Songsterr. It's also a great choice for guitarists, but it focuses more on providing accurate, high-quality interactive tabs. It's super simple to use with playback features so you can follow along with the music. The free version limits the number of songs, and the premium version gives access to the full library with more advanced features. So from the bottom line, choose Ultimate Guitar if you want the largest section of tabs and don't mind ads. And go with Songsterr if you want a cleaner, more interactive experience with easy to follow playback. Both are solid. It just depends on what features matters you the most. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.